Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nikola Corp. And if you look at the chart, so firstly we don't have much data available, and what we can see here on the screen is the daily chart. So there are lots of volatility where the stock was not moving for the entire 2018 and 2019. Then there was a sudden spike up and the stock has given a rise of 800 odd percentage, and it's been consolidating since then. Now we have seen that the stock is trying to move or trying to create a support after falls down. So the stock has already, I think, corrected. You can see 74% from the higher end of the range. Now how to take notice of that and how do we look at this chart right now, we are going to discuss about that. So where do we think that a good support we can find for this particular script? And so this was your previous support from where the stock bounced back and again falls down. Now understand this. Okay, so here we have your next support, then we have one more support here right now, and we have a support like this and a support like this. Now understand this. So I just want you to focus on this highlighted area. Now this support is very important because this was the previous support from the of $29 from where, so this was the support of 29.12 from where the stock bounces back and again moves back on the lower side. Okay, so unless the stock moves back and stay above 29.12, we can't say here that the stock will go up. So the stock is indeed try to go up from 24 to 29, but it has to make a breakout above 29.12 to go further on the upside. Okay, if it doesn't, so if the stock doesn't move above 29.12, then I've already told you it will not go up on the higher side. So the stock is currently, you can consider that the stock is currently trading in between 24.4 to 29.12 dollars. Now we are going to talk about the risk first, that your important support will now become 24.4 from where the stock currently bounces back, and if it fails to hold that position, then it will go back towards 20.44 on the lower side of the range. And if the stock falls below 24.44, then it would be better to just close your position. So understand your risk and take decisions accordingly. On the higher side, first I have already told you the stock needs to go and stay above 29 or probably $30. If it is successful, then in that case we have 37.86, which will become your first resistance or target. Then we have 47.63, then we have 55.02, and probably if it is successful to cross and stay above 55 or $56, then there is a fair amount of chance that it will go towards $76 on the higher side of the range. But understand that there are lots of levels which you need to focus on, because the kind of volatility we have seen in most of the script and specifically in this script is very much dangerous, I can say, on either on the upside or on the downside. Because if you do not understand your position and purchased stock or invested money at any random positions you would have lost your money. Okay, so if somebody has taken position at 47 or probably at 53, he or she might have made a loss over a period of couple of days. So you better understand your positions and take decisions accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.